Ever thought about how the Mediterranean diet might be a solution to obesity? Let's take a moment to ponder the gravity of the global obesity epidemic. It's not just about the numbers on the scale or the size of one's waistline. Obesity is a complex health issue with far-reaching implications, from hypertension and type 2 diabetes to cardiovascular disease and even certain types of cancer. It's a pressing health crisis that demands effective and accessible solutions. Before we dive deeper into this topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more research results related to health and well-being. Now let's begin. For many, the answer may lie not in restrictive diets or intense workout routines, but rather in a lifestyle change. A change towards a dietary pattern that has stood the test of time, one that has been linked to longevity and good health in the regions where it originated. Yes, we're talking about the Mediterranean diet, a way of eating that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, and lean proteins. But what makes this diet so special? Why is it being hailed as a potential answer to the obesity problem? This brings us to question, what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet, a term you've likely come across, but what does it entail? Let's take a closer look. The Mediterranean diet, or Med diet, is a plant-based eating plan inspired by the traditional dietary patterns of the Mediterranean region. It's not just a diet. It's a lifestyle that promotes long-term health and well-being. The diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are the main sources of carbohydrates. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help keep our bodies functioning optimally. They also contain antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Nuts and seeds are also integral to the Med diet. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're not just a tasty snack. They also keep you feeling full for longer, making them a great aid for weight management. And let's not forget olive oil, a key component of the Mediterranean diet. This golden liquid is a great source of monounsaturated fats, recognized for their heart-healthy benefits. It's used generously in cooking and salad dressings, adding a distinct flavor to meals while promoting good health. Then there's fish and poultry, consumed in moderate amounts. These sources of lean protein are low in saturated fat and high in essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Lastly, the Med diet suggests limited consumption of sweets, red meat, and dairy products. These foods, while not completely off the menu, are to be enjoyed sparingly due to their high saturated fat and sugar content. But it's not just about the food. The Mediterranean lifestyle also encourages regular physical activity, enjoying meals with others, and appreciating the pleasure of eating healthy and delicious foods. With such a diet, one might wonder, what does the research say about its impact on obesity? So, does the Mediterranean diet have a positive effect on obesity? Let's dive into the research. Recent studies have shed light on how the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, and olive oil, can play a significant role in combating obesity and associated health risks. The research reveals that this diet can lead to weight loss, improve lipid profiles, modulate gut microbiota and immune system, and reduce inflammation. Let's break it down. Weight loss is a common benefit of adhering to this diet, with many participants reporting a noticeable reduction in their weight over time. This is likely due to the high fiber content of the diet, which promotes feelings of fullness and helps control hunger. Next, we have the improvement in lipid profiles. The Mediterranean diet is abundant in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats from olive oil and polyunsaturated fats from nuts and fish. These fats help to lower levels of harmful LDL cholesterol and increase beneficial HDL cholesterol, contributing to a healthier lipid profile. The research also highlights the diet's impact on gut health. The Mediterranean diet's high fiber content and diverse range of plant foods can contribute to a healthier gut microbiota. This is significant because a healthier gut microbiota is associated with lower risks of obesity and related disorders. In addition, the diet's high content of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds can modulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often associated with obesity and related conditions, so this is another way that the Mediterranean diet can help in the management of obesity. Moreover, the diet's emphasis on whole foods and minimal processing means it's low in added sugars and unhealthy fats, which are known contributors to obesity and related health conditions. These findings certainly paint an encouraging picture. But how does the Mediterranean diet achieve these benefits? The Mediterranean diet's impact on health isn't magic, it's science. Let's delve into the science behind the benefits of the Mediterranean diet. This diet is a veritable cornucopia of nutrients and bioactive compounds, thanks to its rich array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Each of these foods brings something unique to the table, contributing to the diet's overall health benefits. The Mediterranean diet is known for having anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is often linked with obesity and several other diseases. It's like a silent alarm constantly blaring inside the body, causing damage at a cellular level. But the foods in the Mediterranean diet help in damping down this inflammation. The secret lies in the abundance of fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds that combat inflammation. And let's not forget the antioxidants. They're like the body's personal cleaning crew, mopping up harmful free radicals that can cause cell damage. Fruits, vegetables, and olive oil, staples of the Mediterranean diet, are excellent sources of these antioxidants. They help in protecting our bodies from oxidative stress, a major player in chronic diseases. The Mediterranean diet also improves various health markers. For instance, it aids in controlling blood glucose and cholesterol levels, which are key factors in obesity and heart disease. This is largely due to the diet's high fiber content, which slows down digestion, helps control blood sugar, and lowers cholesterol. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet modulates gut microbiota, the community of microorganisms living in our intestines. A healthy gut microbiota is crucial for our overall health and weight management. Foods rich in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, feed these beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut environment. Now that we understand the how, let's look at the why. Why should we consider the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change with significant implications. This dietary pattern, rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, and olive oil, with moderate consumption of fish and poultry, has been linked to numerous health benefits. But its potential doesn't stop there. It is also a powerful tool in the fight against obesity one of the most pressing health issues of our times, promoting adherence to the Mediterranean diet is of utmost importance, particularly in preventing obesity-related diseases. But even with all the scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness, challenges still exist in defining and promoting this diet. What does it mean to follow the Mediterranean diet in regions far removed from the Mediterranean Sea? How do we encourage people to make significant changes to their eating habits? There is no one-size-fits-all answer, but what is clear is that we need strategies to increase adherence to the Mediterranean diet. This could include educational programs, public health initiatives, or even policy changes. The goal is to make it easier for people to make healthier choices, choices that align with the principles of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes health and well-being. It's about understanding the impact of our dietary choices on our bodies and on the world around us. It's about making a commitment to nourish ourselves in a way that is sustainable, both for our bodies and for the planet. So the Mediterranean diet is more than just a meal plan. It's a potential solution to a global health crisis. And that's all for today. As always, links to research papers are in the description below. Watch another interesting video we have prepared for you. The link should be visible on the screen, and for more insights, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay healthy.